that Jesus was black in Chicago. They came to investigate me. They ain't never turned you loose once they start. Trust me. So,
well, you
Jesus
know what? You can do a porno.
And I am a God.
Do a porno flick on that thing.
Yeah, I got some close to porno.
Yeah, do a porno on it.
That's not no porno.
Yeah,
Just leave that alone and everybody just fuck everybody and then
everybody had a fit because I had see-through on.
Oh.
That ain't real though.
Yeah. Let's do a porno flick. That's what I'm talking about.
I'm the cameraman. I got that.
Let's do a porno video. What do you think about that?
Yeah, take off your clothes. I got a camera.
You want me to take off my clothes?
Yeah, go ahead.
I got a question about pornos and everything. Do you
Skip
think
for me,
it's
boo
good
boo.
for?
I'll take a picture.
I got a question about pornos. Lily, do you think if you had a dude that likes pornos, or should a dude look for a woman that likes pornos if he likes porno, or should he look for a woman that don't like it? Or if a woman that likes you that don't like porno versus a woman that likes you that does like porno, which way would you go?
The one that likes the same thing I like.
Why is that?
Because when I first started seeing porno, it made me fucking sick, and the girls was talking about that last night. And to me, I watched it with my husband, and I'm glad the last one don't really like it so much. He just like a little bit, but I had one that really was crazy over it. But because I can't understand how men, they say they don't look at each other's dick, and in the porno all you see is dick. Boom, 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 boom. Look at dick, that's dick, that's dick. So I'm wondering, how the hell man gonna watch so much porno when all he see is dick in a woman?
No, you see the dick in that
you
thing.
seeing another man's dick. I don't give a damn what you say. You watch it, you see how big it is, you looking it.
Of course
and
you
men
gonna
claim
see
they
it.
don't look at each other.
No.
I know you do claim they don't do it.
I take, when we was running this train on this girl, me and these two dudes and everything, I wasn't sitting there looking at them, sticking it in there and everything. I had mine in her mouth and everything. I ain't watching him.
In a porno, you can't miss that dick.
I'm not watching him, you understand me? It's me and two other dudes. I'm not watching him like...
Nah, I ain't talking about your real thing. I'm talking about in a porno.
No, I'm talking about real life shit.
I'm talking about
real life.
No,
in
don't
a
back
porno,
out.
In a porno, it's not even real. It's not...
But you seeing a dick.
But you seeing a whole bunch of this too, and a whole bunch of that too.
I get tired of looking at bitches' pussies, so that's why I don't like porno.
What?
I get tired of looking at the bitches' pussies.
So you
like that? I gotta look at my own, and I take them in and look.
No, dudes ain't looking at porno to look at the dicks.
That's what I'm saying.
But
how can you like it so much then?
Actually, check this out. They actually got women with the huge boobs.
I know all that, but
scared the shit out of you. Like, whoa.
Lots of time it's always the dick. Most of the time it's the dick. I got porno. I sell porno. I know what men buy.
And they like that Fishburne girl, you know what I'm saying?
But now, that was porno to me.
But it was a
okay.
It was a dude in there too.
Yeah, but he didn't have no dicks. He was all her.
I
didn't watch the whole thing.
Yeah, you did. Stop lying.
Shut up. But I did watch the one you gave me.
Because you told me to find it.
Yeah, I told you to find it because somebody asked for it. But I did watch the one you brought me. The one on how, the one that was explaining what everything was for.
Right.
What was it? The lesson on sex or something?
That's the three set.
Yeah, that one went good. Everybody liked it.
Of course they should,
because that was teaching you something. Yeah. It teaching you erotic and stuff, what your body does, why it does that.
Right.
That I like.
And it shows you examples too.
Yeah, that was really good.
Yeah, interesting, educational.
But I hate to tell y'all this. The best porno that's up for Academy Award, you probably gonna get one. It's the girl with the dragon tattoo.
Oh, I never seen that one.
I just watched it, and my husband wasn't giving me no dick. But before that movie was over, I had the best sex that night. I'm like, damn, that shit is crazy. It's sex all through it. All through it. Ain't good sex, because he makes her suck his dick for her own money. He locks her up and rapes her.
And that's why he having sex with you that night. He was imagining that it was him.
Shut up. Okay.
Yeah, you know.
But it was good.
And that's
I got horny too watching it.
That's the third movie out of a series. Did you know that? Because I got the other two. There's the other two, and that's the third one.
Was all of it like that?
I didn't watch none of them, but I grabbed them because I figured somebody asked for it eventually.
Was up for Academy Award or something?
Well, that one, even Hugo's up for Academy
And I was
Award.
wondering why, because it looked so
That-
boring at first, and I'm like, this is
Hugo.
going to be so boring, but it got really good.
What's
And
the other
then
one?
the guy that was helping her, they got the fuck. It was just good fucking all the way through.
Money.
They got
Oh,
a
damn,
nigga
yes.
got their dick so damn low, he can suck his own dick standing up.
I can believe that.
Who was that?
I don't
Straight
know.
up.
I
This
don't know.
motherfucker in California.
No.
Yeah, they got dick so low he can stand up and suck his own dick.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, that's trouble. No, that's trouble.
Oh,
That dick, you can ruin a woman.
Seeing the woman lick herself, I was like,
Yeah.
damn, that's fucking
You can
flat.
ruin a woman with all that dick like that. That's trouble.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah. You ruin a woman like that. Woman don't want to be ruined.
Nah.
That's true.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's beat
But
up.
you think that's what killed Whitney? Ray J? You ever seen that video? No, I saw that one. I got Ray J. I'll give you that one.
What?
She watch it every night and everything.
What?
No, I just pulled it out.
Stop lying.
I pulled it out because
Really,
when
right?
Whitney died and they said Ray J was her boyfriend, I'm
You had
like,
to go
Right.
see what
I
Whitney
better
was
go back.
getting
I said,
out.
I think he was hanging. So I had to go back and pull that video when he was Kardashian girl.
Right.
Yeah, he's packing. And that could have killed her because she was almost 50, And she's drinking.
Yeah.
And she drinking. And she fucking in the tub. Oh my God.
Lily, you tripping. She done had a baby pop out of there. Has been getting exercise for some
He
years and
wasn't hitting
shit.
guts that good.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
No.
And then he was young. Oh my God.
Stop it. I think the combination, what was it? Xanax, Valium,
And
alcohol.
and Big Dick.
Nah, I don't think it was the dick.
I just hope they wasn't fucking in that tub and he left.
No, he didn't do that. It's the criminal was being. I
No,
think,
they said
ruled
that
out.
she has some drugs in her system
It's just
and alcohol.
Yeah, but still don't mean she wasn't getting that good.
he wasn't.
I trying to be funny. But anyway, I love you. I love her though. But anyway, I thought about it for real because I done fell asleep in the tub and I done.
Oh, drinking too
No,
much.
You know, I think it was just an overdose.
Okay.
Taking too much.
But yeah, she did.
That's what they say.
I can
didn't
tell
know
you,
she didn't
before
say
she left here,
that
she was
every
pretty damn
before
happy
every
she
show.
had Ray J. Thank you.
Yeah.
So-
I think she was still pretty much in love with Bobby.
Yeah, but
I mean, and
You
so
couldn't
she just
get
had to
rid of
couldn't get rid of it, so she had to get.
No, they said Bobby Brown was the one that
turned
No.
out.
turned her out. Yeah,
No,
Bobby he turned her out.
No, because Whitney had.
Yeah,
well,
he did.
I hate to say this, but Whitney had family members
Oh, sorry about that.
that they were doing what she was doing too.
Oh,
Well,
real
she
good.
she's from New
You know?
Jersey. She
So
grew
they
up
can't
watching.
put that on Bobby.
They sure can't.
They can't do that.
She grew
Well,
up
she
in
told him that she did it before
You
she
know.
was
She grew up in New
so-
Jersey
Right.
every day.
She's
She
a
had
Jersey
to watch
girl,
it.
so yeah, she was a bad girl.
Yeah.
Well, I'm just saying, I hope she did get good dick before she left here. That's all I'm saying.
Well, I just hate
What?
to see all these people go through a lot of
Yep.
stress. I mean, I
Did
say
you hear what
stress.
she just
Michael
said?
Jackson
I
and
wish I could have some pussy where she lived too.
What?
Yeah.
What he say? He said, "What you say?" I hope she got some good pussy too.
Yeah, that's what he said.
I thought he said that. I do too. I hope everybody get whatever they need before they leave here. For real, I think that's what your duty is, to enjoy your life before you leave here. And
Right.
whatever anybody else thought your life should have been, it ain't. Do you get it? She had to probably live that life fast because she already had been here and got cut off before, and that's why she came here and got so famous. Because you don't do that, and you don't bring geniuses here if they hadn't got cut off and they starting at that level.
Right.
Everybody starts at the level you left here on, so that's why some of us is fucked
I
up
mean,
worse
yeah,
than the
right.
other people that
Because
we fucked
I mean,
up. I'm telling you, that's the Bible.
look
The
at the
Bible
people
tells
that
you
have gone like Jimi Hendrix.
Well, the
He
Bible
was-
tells you that.
He was young, right? And he was very
And
very
he
intelligent.
came here as a genius, and he'll
Right, right,
and
right,
he'll be
right.
back again.
Right.
But if they don't change
Right.
their thinking, they gets cut off again.
Right.
They
That's
got
all.
unlimited drugs, unlimited alcohol. Okay?
Yeah.
That's unlimited to them. That's
Yeah.
why the motherfuckers die.
that's true. That's true.
That's
They got
true.
unlimited shit.
Amy
They're
Amy
famous.
Winehouse.
They got
Guess what?
everything. They got
And they
everything.
just like everybody else, you gotta learn how to be a god and balance
Yeah.
that shit.
Alan, what else
Every
you gotta do
life
is make
you
a
gotta
phone
do
call.
the same
I need
thing.
some cocaine. Bring it up to
I
the
mean,
round.
Every life you gotta learn.
Right. Well,
So
look
if they
at
don't learn it,
I
they
want
get
to
cut
drink.
off.
Bring it to the round.
But yeah, look at Michael Jackson.
Thank you.
Michael Jackson had everything.
He
at
has
stake.
to learn
You know
his
what?
next
That
time.
doctor got
Or
to
he'll
pay.
be cut off
The
again.
doctor was a little bit careless. But
You don't gotta
the
be rich to
the
do it.
doctor
You
gotta
got
say.
yourself
You know what they
people-
still gonna pay
people-
that man gonna make some money off of that.
But people mad at
And
the
then, you
doctor.
know what?
But
I ain't mad at the
if
doctor.
you ain't Michael Jackson,
Right.
you ain't getting that type of.
That's the
medicine.
man that killed
But
Michael
since
Jackson. That's
you're
the man that
Michael
killed
Jackson-
Michael
Michael killed
Jackson.
himself. Cause
That
really,
man,
Yeah.
no, you know
If-
what?
if
But
you
they
ain't
blame it
Michael,
on the
you ain't
man,
I know,
the
but
doctor.
it's your
Cochran.
choice.
I mean, whatever.
That's what I'm
that
trying to
man
tell you. Every life
He's
you
gonna
gotta
be famous
choose
for
what
the
you
rest
doing.
of his
But
life.
see,
They said he can't make no money off of it. He gonna make some money off of
This
it.
stuff is not stepped on. Our stuff is stepped
Yeah,
on.
he gonna
Them
make
800
that.
milligrams.
Oh yeah, they get the real
That's
That's
stuff.
Michael. That's the man that killed Michael
Yeah,
Jackson.
They get.
That's gonna go in the history
But it
books
still
and
kill
shit.
him.
Because you know what? It's greed.
Oh.
They get greedy. That's what it is.
That's
They
the
get
man that
greedy.
killed Michael Jackson.
But
Yeah.
That's the
But you
man
know
that
what
killed
it is?
Michael
It's
Jackson.
because people
couldn't have
cater
it.
to him, and then they have so much
If he
stress.
didn't have that
Think
money,
about
he
our
couldn't have
stress,
that
and if they
Right,
take our little
right.
weed from us, and they just put you
Ain't
on
no
these
nigga gonna
pills,
have
then
that.
all of us gonna die. You get it?
Right, right.
Because the more the doctors don't care how much pills they
They
give.
sure don't.
You ever notice how much they'll give you, or whatever?
They sure do.
So that's why.
Right.
It's meant to kill us. You
Right,
see, and
right,
if every life, this is my job, is to tell you that you're a God, you better balance. It becomes a sin when you overdo anything. That's it. We are pure. If you're a God, you become pure. Everything's pure to you. But if you're unpure, nothing here is good for you.
Right.
So that's what your Bible says.
Well, see, the
So-
government, you know, we don't even know that the government, they're killing us. I mean, when they
But if
spray
you're
those
God,
chemicals,
guess what?
they spray those chemicals
Yeah, I know.
over,
Chemtrails.
you know, and it's like,
The chemtrail, that's it. That's
That's
yeah,
chemical.
you right.
right,
Yeah.
right, that's what it is.
It's
That's what it
chemical.
is. That's what it is.
That's
Yeah.
That's why the Bible said in the last days you're going
That's
to be
in the
able to
air.
eat
They-
poison,
they
and
from
you,
the blankets.
if that you're a God,
Oh, yeah.
it won't hurt you.
Yeah, you could, yeah, definitely.
So now,
People don't
all
know
the
the
God's
chemtrails
people,
is
what
killing
we
our
got to
ass.
do is try to
All
go
day,
as much
all the
natural.
time.
But if your mind and your thinking is right, it's going to help to purify the rest of your body, you know.
Right, right,
Because see what you think it is.
right.
Yeah, for real. What you
Right.
think it really is. That's what
Right.
Jesus came to tell you. Watch your thoughts.
That's right.
If you think it's going to kill you, it will.
That's
That's what
right.
I'm saying. If you think the devil going to get you, he will.
Right,
If you think you're a God, you are.
right.
That's what's her name? What's that woman? What's her name when she said, if a person tell you what they are, believe them?
Right.
Maya, Angela?
Angela.
Yeah.
Right, right, right,
Because they know, people know what they really are.
right, right,
Do you understand what I'm saying? So that's what we need to do, start letting people say what they are.
right,
And if they don't like what they are, then they can change it.
right,
But if they never meant what they are, they can't change it.
right.
You know, if they all in church, everybody believing they are Christian and Christian got you saved, that is not true.
Right.
Let's take a break.
Yeah. Big time. Thank you. We're going to take a real break this time. We'll be right back.